What's up, everyone? I see people already in the chat. Love to see it. So yeah, this is Zach from Finance Bro. If you guys don't know, there are two people who run this account. Kyle sadly does have class today. We were both seniors in college. We were both 21. If you guys weren't aware, he's about to turn 22. But we still do have college, sadly. So he's gonna be there. I'm here. What happened? Still didn't start. Do something different. I think I saw you in our comment section today. Were you the one who commented first on my video? I can't quite remember. But yeah, so here we are today. We're going to be talking about some Shiba Inu and all that. So thank you guys all for coming in. Anyone who's in here who hasn't liked the stream yet, go ahead and like that. And if you guys are wondering, it is in subscriber only mode. So if you can't comment, you're trying to comment, you're like, why isn't my comment going through? It's on subscriber only mode, so you guys know. But yeah, let's get into some of this. Big news today, Shiba Inu Coin gets listed on Public. Cool thing, Public is actually our sponsor. We've been wanting them to actually, list Shiba Inu Coin for a while because obviously our subscribers love Shiba Inu Coin. We make videos on it every single day. And now we get to talk about it with some graphs from Public. So yeah, if you guys want to get signed up with Public, if you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. And you can now trade Shiba Inu Coin on it or invest in Shiba Inu Coin on it as well. Really quickly, we can show you our portfolio. You can also see our portfolio on here. We added Shiba Inu to it today. So yeah, I mean, you guys can see a bunch of stuff on Public, but yeah, I said earlier, wow, didn't see this coming, but I'm so excited to invest in the best altcoin out there. So yeah, sometimes this happens. I don't need to log in, sir. All right, cool. But anyways, yeah, Shiba Inu Coin is on Public. That is kind of the big news for today. We're going to be going over some technical analysis and all that. So if you guys are, interested, stick around. It'll be about a 30-minute stream. So thank you guys all for coming. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to drink this on here, so I had a case for it. Anyways, so Shib, obviously up 0.61% today. We're really waiting for that Robinhood catalyst. But really quickly, I just want to go through all the motions. If you guys want to comment, you can comment. I'll get to those in about 2-3 minutes. But yeah, here we are, stock to weights. This is something I like to check just to see how active Shiba Inu Coin is. You can see here that they are the second most active cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin made all-time highs today, so it kind of makes sense that Bitcoin is being talked about more. But Shiba Inu Coin, the second highest cryptocurrency on here. Obviously, it's a weekday, so most stocks are trending right now. Also, Shib entering back into the most added to watch list, even though if you click on here, they already have 94,000 people watching this. So overall, Shib just doing extremely well today on a day with relatively no news. But yeah, when you take a look at Twitter, when you search up Shiba Inu Coin, you can see Public lists Shiba Inu Coin on its trading platform as rival Robinhood broadens crypto offerings. So basically, Public, we've talked about Public ad nauseum, right? But Robinhood could see this as a little push, like, dang, Weeble's got Shiba Inu Coin, Public has Shiba Inu Coin, we might want to get on that and get Shiba Inu Coin listed. Obviously, it takes a little bit more with Robinhood, but we all think Robinhood is going to be listing them soon, so hopefully that happens. Let me take a look at the comment section real quick before I keep going. I don't mean to root. Do they even have any users? Public. Oh, Public, yeah. Public actually does have a lot of users, and they have the backings of Graham Stephan. He's actually an investor in Public, if you guys know Graham Stephan. And then they have a lot of YouTube backing. So while they are relatively smaller, yes, they do have a lot of kind of pull in this market. But yeah, I mean, they do have less users than someone's of, say, Webull or Robinhood size. But yeah, they're a relatively newer company that are trying to do something really cool, which I think they are, and that's why we're sponsored by them. We have been reached out to for multiple sponsorships, and we went with Public. So if that kind of tells you something, then yeah. But anyways, and the second thing, why would it matter if when the biggest exchange in Turkey didn't make it move? Well, the biggest exchange in Turkey only had about, it did make it move, by the way, but the biggest exchange in Turkey only had about 4 million people on it. And I believe, I can't give you numbers on public because they're not like a public company, so they don't technically need to divulge their active users. But I can tell you that there are a lot of users on public, so it's pretty similar. Obviously, we see the price today. It didn't move that much when it was announced that it was going on public. However, any news is good news. So yeah, thanks for the questions. But anyways, let's get back into this. So trading app public lists Shiba Inu Coin on its trading platform as the Robinhood rival broadens crypto offerings. So this is from Markets Business Insider. So a pretty good website to be putting this out. Crypto traders can now buy and sell Shiba Inu Coin on trading app Public, the company said. Public added cryptocurrency to its platform earlier this month. Public users can trade multiple coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. And that's also the good thing about Public is, I don't want to be on it for too long, but they only have 6 or 7 cryptos, just like Robinhood. So public users that want to be in crypto only have 6 to 7 to 8 cryptocurrencies to choose from. So it's a good thing that Shiba Inu Coin also got listed there. So yes, I'm pretty sure the rest of this article kind of just goes over the bullet points and then goes over kind of why it's up, the Elon Musk thing and all of that. But yeah, Public launched, if you guys want some more information on Public, launched in September 2019 as more of a social investing app, has more than 1 million users. So yeah, they do have more than 1 million users and a market value of about 1.2 billion, according to the spokesperson. But yeah, so, and also, by the way, guys, it eliminated payment for order flow, which is a thing that a lot of people don't like about Robinhood, but that's enough of a Public sponsorship rant right there. But yeah, so that's really all that came out. Over the past 2 days, there hasn't been much coming out about Shiba Inu Coin, so the videos have been a little bit harder to make considering, there's just not much news going on. But we can take a look at it nonetheless. Let me take a look at some comments now. Thanks for every update on time. You're a Shib bro. I am a Shib bro. Shibarium and Robinhood launched together. Okay, thanks for the answer. Let's keep pumping. Why can't you use Shib Coin to pay for Shiba Swap? Has to be Ethereum. I'm actually not sure on that one. We're not, any way affiliated with Shiba Inu Coin. We just make content on them. So that would be more of a question for Satoshi Kusama. Actually, yeah, let's take a look at his Twitter before we go on to technical analysis. Shib. His name is not going to be Shib. Sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you guys could please leave a like on the video or the live stream, that would be extremely good because it gets it out to more people. But anyways, I'll be selling my Shib when it hits $100. Satoshi Kusama put this. Somewhere's Condoli Property. I don't know how to say that. They're now accepting Shib somewhere. Properties in sale for rent. So just another Argentinian thing where they're going to accept Shib as for sales and rent. So that's cool. Yeah, not much of a update here from Satoshi Kusama today. There can't be 24/7 news about something insanely good happening for Shiba Inu Coin. We're really just waiting on that Robinhood. What the dog doing? Scooby, I didn't think you'd know. A number of analysts have been saying Shiba is going to pop 90%. Do you believe this? Oh yeah, I actually made a video about that. So the thing about the 90% thing, here, let me zoom out on the technical analysis. So the thing about the 90% is that we're kind of in a bull pennant right now. So that's when you have a big flagpole and then you kind of trade this way. I can draw it for you guys if I want. Actually, yeah, why not draw it, I don't want to erase lines, but whatever. So basically, here is our bull pennant that we have been seeing. So basically, whenever we break out of this, and we are extremely close to breaking out of this, as soon as we break out of this, you are supposed to then double your flagpole. So let's see if I can copy this. I can copy this, and can I paste it? allow. Okay, so basically you're supposed to go up by then this much again, which if you guys see here, boom. And now let me zoom out to the 6 month. So basically, I guess a year. It won't even let me see it. I don't really know how to work TradingView that well. But basically, we're supposed to go to about the 53 area. So that would be an increase of about 90%. So if we break out of this this pennant right here, then we are going to go up another 90% according to the technical analysis. Now, technical analysis isn't correct all the time, but this is what what it's kind of showing us. The fact that we're consolidating a bit right here, as soon as we get a catalyst, say the Robinhood catalyst, and we break above this, we should be seeing about 90% in gains before meeting any resistance. So that's kind of what we're seeing. Shib going to be stable world currency. Hey, I agree, bro. I agree. But yeah, so let's go into more of I'm going to delete all this because it's just weird if we're doing the intraday trading type thing. But yeah, I mean, we have just been seeing a ton of bullish movement of Shib, which is extremely good. Just like another pennant just right here. Like you can see here, we have just another pennant. And we are trying to break out of it right now. I mean, any piece of news is everything about Shib has been bullish for the past about 2 weeks. But yeah, so let's see. Predicted date for Robinhood listing. I can't give you a predicted date because I would just be wrong. You know, like there's no way of knowing. I'm not an insider at Robinhood. Sadly, I wish I could give you guys a date on Robinhood, but for things like this, you just don't know. Sadly. But yeah, I mean, let's take a look. Global crypto market absolutely ripping, and that is a good thing for Shiba Inu Coin because what's it called? When Bitcoin is on a bull run, all the altcoins follow suit. So you can see here, since we're up 2%, Solana up 11%. All altcoins just absolutely ripping today. Obviously, Shiba Inu Coin isn't because they're kind of in a world of their own. But if Bitcoin continues this massive run, and by the way, on Finance Bro, about at the beginning of this year, I said that Bitcoin would hit 100K this year. I think this is definitely a possibility. And if it were to do that, Shiba Inu Coin is going to outperform them because that's the way it works. They only have $11 billion market cap. In order for Bitcoin to go to 100K, they're going to have to add literally $700 million to their market cap in order to go to $100,000. Hey, I'm saying that could happen, but they have to do $700 billion. All the Shiba Inu Coin has to do to outperform that is at about $5 to $6 billion. So literally, they just have to do about a 100th of what Bitcoin does, and they will outperform Bitcoin. So yeah. Predicted price increase for Robinhood listing. Oh, that's exactly something I could do. So we kind of just did that on the 6 month time frame. So I don't want to do it again. But basically, I think it'll get to about that 0.004055 level. So that would be about 80 to 90% in gains. So that's exactly where I think it will be. And then I think we'll meet some resistance and then we'll consolidate and see where we go from there. But overall, if they get listed on Robinhood, I think they go up about 80 to 90% and then we continue our bull run. That's personally what I think. Big dump before Robinhood, then pump. Yeah, actually, I don't think we're going to see a big dump before Robinhood just for the fact that we're in a bull pennant right now and we're just consolidating. So, yeah, I mean, let's take a look into Shiba Inu Coin. Obviously, over the last 24 hours, we have lost some volume, which isn't ideal. But let me take a look here. So basically, what I was talking about about a week and a half ago was this, massive rise in volume of how much Shib was being transacted, and it was about $9 to $18 billion. And the reason that I was kind of taking note of this was that here, if we look at the overview and go to the 1 year, when we made this initial run up with Shib, we were doing about $27 million a day for Shib, and then we started picking up, and we started doing $300 million a day, $6 billion a day, and when we made our massive leg up, like more than 100% of a leg up, we had about $20 billion of volume. So that's kind of what we've been seeing over the past couple of days is it was doing about $200 to $500 million every day, and then when we saw it start to do about $5 billion, that's when we knew it was about to freaking explode, and obviously it did. So now over the past month, obviously we had those days where we're doing about $18 billion, but now we're doing about $2 billion and $3 billion again. As soon as we start to see some $7 billion days again, some $6 billion a day, that's when we know it's about to go up. Or it could all just happen at once with Robinhood. But we are in a bull pennant, so as soon as we break out, that is when obviously we are going to see this massive explosion in price that everyone wants to see. Yeah, but why would anyone pay with Shiba Inu on Amazon if they can pay with cash? That's a fair question, actually. Why would they pay for it's mostly for the die-hard cryptocurrency fans. So say you're a cryptocurrency fan at this point, let's take a look at how many people have this on watch list. 1.2 million people have this on their watch list. Let's take a look at a comparable. So let's say Algorand. Only 345,000 have this on their watch list. They have some of the most people on their watch list and transact some of the most amount of money on their watch list. Let's look at Solana. Solana is ranked 7. They have an $87 billion market cap, and they have only 688,000 on watch list. Even look at Bitcoin. They have 2.3 million people with watch lists. What's it called? Shiba Inu Coin has literally more than half of that, and Bitcoin is worth literally more than $1 trillion. So Shiba Inu Coin is very popular, and any of these people that have it on their watch list or literally hold it, maybe say, hey, I want to transact with Shiba Inu Coin today. So yes, the normal everyday person probably not going to be transacting with Shib. Let's be real. But it is a possibility that people who are into cryptocurrency and know about Shib see the option and want to use it, and then obviously maybe we can implement a burn with that. Other countries on Amazon using Shib. Bro, should I sell my Lucid Motors stock and buy more Shib? Well, I can actually show you. Here, let's go to our public profile. So this is our public account. And you can see every time we sell or buy something. And I can tell you that we sold Lucid Group, and I sold, and I'm waiting for a dip to get back in. We made about 18%, and then I invested in Shib. So I kind of did exactly that, but I didn't do it to put it in Shib. I already had other money on the side that I just put in Shib, and for Lucid Group, I was kind of just taking profits, waiting for it to dip back down. But yeah, that's what I did. You can also see here that if we take a look, we already have Shib up. Never mind, we don't have to do that. But yeah, let me take some more comments. If you guys, want to comment, I'll try to get back to you because they have unstable currency. It's looking like Johansson is spreading some FUD. Don't attack him though, guys. Don't attack him. But yeah, a lot more people entering the chat. So let's talk about the kind of what's going on today. If we take a look at Shiba Inu Coin, you can see that the news is that public actually is listed on, Shiba Inu Coin is listed on public. That's really the only news we have for today, sadly. But yeah, because they have unstable currency. Bro, should I say, yeah. Okay. For all you new people, if you guys aren't subscribed, you're going to have to subscribe in order to actually comment in the chat. So if you guys would like to comment, then go ahead and subscribe. And also, guys, like the video. It really helps push this out to more people, and we can get some more people in here. We're going to be here for about 10 more minutes talking about Shib. So if any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and do that. So I'm seeing this thing about Shib Arium. Let's take a look into this. So when the Shibarium drops, Shiba Swap will kill both Uniswap and PancakeSwap instantly. Read that again and let the magnitude sink in. So Shibarium is basically, I'm assuming, do any of you know what Shibarium is? I've never heard of it. Get prepared for, okay. Oh, it's going to be our own blockchain. Holy crap. Okay, guys, I've never heard about this. I'm not in the Discord. I should probably join the Discord. But Shibarium is the next step in the devs plan. There's already a developers society working on it, which created already the Shiba Swap Oracle. Shibarium will be the proper blockchain of Shib that should, no confirmations yet, work as a sideways parallel blockchain onto the Ethereum network. That is super dope. In easy words, it's a blockchain on a blockchain that by time to time releases information that is gathered in 1 second onto the blockchain, in one single block onto the Ethereum network, just as Polygon does, for example. And I'm very high on Polygon. So the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is trying to do something similar to what Polygon is doing is extremely good, because people already believe in Shiba Inu Coin. So if this can happen, wow. Fees for the Shibarium users will surely go down as we optimize the cost of validation. Now transactions done on ShibaSwap are directly written on the Ethereum network. Reason why there is a lot of congestion and fees are high, as ETH by now has a limited transaction by second limit. Shibarium not only will give us the possibility to reduce fees and increase trading on ShibaSwap itself, it will also attract more and more projects that want to list their coin on ShibaSwap. This means more burns, more liquidity on the platform, more rewards for holders, bigger volumes, etc. And if the blockchain is open source, we could even attract developers which can make dApps. Basically, we can just become one of these massive cryptos. This is a real use case thing. Wow, I don't know how I never heard of this, but if Shibarium happens, this is going to be yet another catalyst other than just Robinhood that we have right now. Shibarium, dude, I agree. Shibarium, bad A. I can't say that word because I'm on YouTube. But yeah, Shibarium could be another catalyst. So right now we have Robinhood as a catalyst. We have Shibarium as a catalyst. This is extremely good. Wow. The Shib blockchain. I can't wait. Okay, cool. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, concerns, anything like that, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'm going to be answering questions for the next 8 minutes. I got to go at about 3:30 for some stuff. And also, leave a like. It really helps the stream get out to more people. I did not understand the Shibarium deal. Is it a marketplace? So Shibarium is basically, if you know what Matic is or Polygon, it's kind of like that. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically going to be its own blockchain and basically make things a lot faster and lower fees for trading and everything of that nature. It's basically a whole ecosystem which eventually could have even dApps run off of it, which is decentralized apps, and basically makes it where other things can run off of Shib now. And yeah, so it could be a possible thing to help out the Shiba community by lowering fees, increasing rewards, everything of that nature. Hope that made a little bit of sense. Yep. A few months away. Yeah, I would probably say, I remember when ShibaSwap got brought up, that took about a month or two once it was first announced to actually come out. So Shibarium seems like a massive project. I wouldn't be surprised if it took about 2 to 3 months to come out. I don't know how long they have been working on it, however, so very, very cool. Great news for the Shib army in Brazil, where the biggest exchange in the country now allows to trade BRL for Shib. So that's dope. Another piece of news here. In Brazil, you can now trade something called BRL for Shib, so I'm sure that's pretty big there. Who knows? Shibarium. Yep, let's go. I don't know what that is. Aha, nice. Yep, a few months away, supposedly. All right, well, make sure you guys get your questions out now. We can take a last look at how the price is kind of looking right now. But I will be leaving in about 5 minutes, so make sure you guys get those questions out. So after this big kind of bump after the public announcement, we have seen a bit of consolidation, but we have been staying above this support at the 28 level pretty nicely. So I would really hope we stay above this 28 level for the rest of today, and even maybe try to break this resistance at the 29 level, and possibly start making our next leg up. But we really do need a catalyst to kind of push us forward. A catalyst of public, which has about 1 million users, while amazing, isn't going to be the thing to take us to that past our all-time high and really start that 90% increase. But yeah, for all of you guys that are in here now that kind of didn't hear earlier, so Shib is now on public, which is kind of what we've been talking about in this live stream. But if you guys are new, if you guys use the first link in the description and get signed up with public and deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, as well as you guys can start trading Shiba Inu Coin. So if that sounds good to you, use that first link in the description to get signed up with public. This is really, really good for Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, rumor of bull run tonight. I haven't seen a rumor of a Shib bull run, but we can search it up and see if anyone's tweeting about it. Shiba Inu whale transactions have been partially fueling the meme cryptocurrencies bull run. Easy, wait till the bull run. I don't really see anything about it, but let's check out Del Crypto real quick, as he's kind of a great source for Shiba Inu and crypto in general. Yo, what's your next call? I'm selling everything and making for it next time. New to crypto, curious where to buy coins? I got you. It's easy. Simply Google the website of the coin interest and find the detailed instructions on how to purchase. No, that's just good Shiba Inu burn info. Okay, I love the crypto success stories, but I will not suggest quitting your job until 2030. In time, crypto becomes so easy, you can easily work and slaughter the markets. Having an additional source of nursing income can yield Kardashian money from here to 2030. But yeah, I mean, I think people are just excited about Shiba Inu Coin. That's why we're getting so much love today. I believe we've had the most views today out of any day on our channel, so thank you guys all so much for that. That's why I love Finance Bro, because he does not make those videos. It's just many Shib's channels clickbaiting. Hey, I agree. I mean, all of YouTube is clickbait. Like, we want you guys to click on our videos because we're trying to give you guys the best up-to-date, information. But we're never gonna lie. There is such thing as clickbaiting, where you are, trying to get people to watch your video, where you're going to deliver on what is said. But we will never lie and say Robinhood just got listed. We won't say like Robinhood is listed confirmed, because obviously it's not. But we will say something like Shiba Inu Coin Robinhood listing coming soon, or something of that nature. So we try not to, obviously on YouTube you have to clickbait, but we try not to do it in a way where we're lying, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, we love to talk about the rumors too. Like, we love to talk about the speculation, because sometimes those rumors or speculation can turn into fruition and actually, be very profitable for us, us Shiba Inu investors. Let's see if there's anything else. Thanks for your videos. Thank you, Daniel, for watching our videos. Thank you guys all for watching our videos. We really appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to get all the update Shiba Inu Coin information. We are on here 24/7. Now, something that I kind of am a bit confused about is it saying that there's a $16 billion market cap when it's a $11 billion on coin market cap. So that's a little bit confusing. Limit coins built-in burns, only increasing in value and usable everywhere soon. So that is a huge thing, is like the now payments kind of partnership that Shiba Inu Coin now has is going to be extremely good for Shiba Inu Coin, just because they will be burning 3% of the profits of everything that is used for Shiba Inu Coin, and then also Shib is just going to be available to use online and then also in person soon. So Shib bull case, it's gonna happen. My God, is there a rumor coming? Hey, yeah. So we like to talk about as much stuff as we possibly can, but we talk about every type of rumor, but we're never going to say that it's true until we have actual confirmation, just so you guys know. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's live stream. Thank you guys all so much for coming out. If you guys could please leave a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, that would really mean the world to us, as it really helps to boost our channel and get us out there to more people, so we can get more people involved in Shiba Inu Coin. Make sure that you guys use the first link in the description to start trading Shiba Inu Coin. When you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. Might as well do that with the first link in the description. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video. And yeah, I'm kind of OCD, so I kind of want it to be 3:30 when I end. So check Surge Inu. Oh, Surge Inu is that a new thing? I don't know. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, join public.